is why we started down south at Aneityum. So we got downwind trade sailing all the way.
Pretty cool. Aneityum in the background and Tanna in front of us. We are cruising dead downwind.
Woohoo! Wing on wing, baby. Oh, that part didn't look so good. There we go. Now we can woohoo. Woohoo! Downwind to Tanna. Port Resolution on Tanna Island, which unfortunately took a beating from cyclones Kevin and Judy in March this year. The yacht club is not what it used to be. But they still invite you in.
And what Tanna is really famous for is Mount Yasur.
I reckon it's going to get way more exciting than this.
Rough to see a volcano!
Do you mind? It's okay? What's the...
Slow.
Just check out the road.
Yes, that is the main road.
Volcano
Lava.
erupted.
I live here. Many of the people live here. Lava on the volcano. So the border. Yeah.
Is this the fuel stop?
Yeah.
Now,
Do you want any chunky bits?
Saudara kagigit na sa kami ayaw sa gasari.
Volcano has burned everything.
Ash flame.
Whoa.
Okay, that is pretty cool. Whoa. Okay. Look at all the pungas with no tops.
Ah.
Look at them all. The sulfur destroys all the top of the pungas, so there's just punga sticks everywhere, like stumps. Mount Yasur has been erupting almost continuously for several hundred years, often several times an hour. The crater rim is nearly 400 metres in diameter, and its glow is what apparently attracted James Cook on his first European journey to the island in 1774.
Spot of lookouts. Is that this spot? Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that was cool. That was actually go boom. Yeah.
No worries.
Look, I got a question. Has anyone ever fell and slipped off a pole or something? So that means it's not that easy to fall in. So we can...
expecting, miss?
I didn't feel like I was going to stand on the edge of a cliff with all of the lava action being way down below.
You don't want to fall into off the cliff?
No, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some legends about Vanuatuans being
One of
punished
them.
and thrown into the volcano. Show the sky like the sunset like that.
I want to look it down.
The sunset itself is pretty
Yeah, I think I got that one.
Nice.
Look at your goggles.
I have great eye protection though.
Show us. It's going. Good safety sticks there, Roach.
Yep.
Health and safety at its best. Don't fall in.
I don't even have jandals on.
Whoa.
Wow! It's free fireworks. Well, not really free, but
Expensive fireworks, right?
yeah.
I've created fire! You're louder than the volcano. Oh yeah, that one was impressive. Driving down the mountain from the volcano.
Hey, the lights up there lighted up quite well.
Oh, back.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's actually the only sealed piece of road.
Submission in and out. Back to Port Resolution with its powerless village and its powerful coastline.